Hello, I'm Daniel Schott. I'm both a collector and creator of art in the NFT area. I am pleased today to do a short recording to introduce collectors on how to get started and what to do so that they can buy NFTs and start collecting. Let's get to it. The first step, you want to open your web browser and please type in the web address metamask.io. Hit enter. Now we don't want to search. We want to type it in up there in the address bar because we don't want to go to an incorrect website that's going to steal your information. All right. So please type it in. Next, click on download. Then click on install. You might have to scroll down. Next, click on add. It also might be the word get. You can see right here, add. And add extension. Now there's going to be a little variability in each different browser. This is the Brave browser. The Internet Explorer, or Edge, I think it's called now, Chrome, Safari. There's going to be a few differences, but pretty much they're all the same. Now, next, click Get Started. We want to click Create Wallet because this video is for brand new collectors to the NFT space. That they love traditional art. They've been very curious about NFTs and the investment opportunities and the just fantastic art that's being created, digital art. And they don't have a wallet, and this is their starting place. So create wallet. Click I agree. We're going to do a password. Click I have read. Click create. Scroll down, click next. Now we want to do a step here that's important. This is a backup of this wallet. So click here to reveal secret words. So go ahead and click. Now we need to write all these down. And so for this demonstration, I've got to do that. That's going to take a second. When you do this, it's going to be different. And don't worry, I'm not going to be using this address. You never want to share these words with anyone. You want to take this piece of paper, put it in a safe. Make sure it isn't destroyed because you might need it at some point. If your computer crashes, we all know computers. And I'm almost done. All right, and then we click next. Now you have to put these in the order that we wrote them down. Eagle and brisk and sport and reopen and approve and exhibit and razor and race, knife, fame, reunion order, confirm. Now it looks like we might have, so Eagle, sport, approve, razor, reunion, brisk, reopen, exhibit, rice, Fame odor knife, and then click confirm. You'll see I had to go back and do that. I didn't want to restart the video because I'm just doing this quick just to have this available, and honestly didn't want to put too much time in. And that might happen to you. So I guess it's great to have it in an instructional video. So when you're writing the words down, write them in order, because that test that you do is going to need them in order. All right, next up, click all done. Click the little X up here. Now you want to click buy. This part, we're going to actually buy Ethereum. You're going to buy some cryptocurrency now. That's exciting. Click continue to wire. I think wire might be the name. Okay. Here you're going to want to put in, I'd say $1,000 if you're going to buy some NFTs today after you watch the video and do the steps. $1,000 would be necessary. A lot of the art goes for $100 to $500. And then there's transaction fees that go along with it. So you're going to get access to a lot of amazing art, but it isn't free. So I would do at least $1,000 here. And then you can go ahead and put your credit card information here and whatnot. So complete the transaction. After you've done that, I'm not going to show all that, but after you've done that, go to your browser, and I want you to type in www.foundation.app/ANCHOR. I'll hold that up on the screen. So foundation.app/ANCHOR. And hit enter. Now this is the exciting part. You're actually going to an NFT marketplace. And I just so happen to have given you a creator myself to see the art. So next thing we want to do is click on the Connect Wallet. I had to open up the browser a little bit there. So you see in the upper right, Connect Wallet. Okay. Now it's going to say, well, what wallet are you using? Well, we're using MetaMask. So click MetaMask. All right, now you're going to have a prompt here. Connect with MetaMask. Next, connect. Continue. And sign. Fantastic. So now your wallet is your sign-in. That's why you do the sign. Now, that's very technical what's happening when you click sign. We're not going to go there. We're just really happy it works. You'll see an indicator at the top here. This is kind of your profile, and you can go ahead and visit that and put some information in there. The next step I want you to do is to click on a collection. So scroll down. Click on Sunrise. This is my Sunrise collection. So every artist there's one artist on a site. The artist is going to have 1, 2, or 3 collections. And then within the collection, you have the NFTs. So we'll scroll down. We can see all of the items listed. Now I'm going to scroll up. I like this one, Snowing Sunrise. I actually just did this today. So you click the piece of art, the NFT. So this is a photograph. It's digital art. It's had animation added to it to give it a little more value. We're going to scroll down, click place bid. It shows you must bid at least half an ETH. So we'll put that in, 0.5. You'll see that's $1,316.15 would be the conversion. So you actually couldn't buy this if you'd only put $1,000 in. And it even tells you you don't have enough ETH. And then you go on from there to complete the bid. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this 10 minutes instructional video on how a traditional collector can get into NFTs step by step using MetaMask, using the NFT Marketplace Foundation, and hopefully browsing some of my art. I wish you well and that you find meaningful art that motivates you, inspires you, and that you connect with many artists. This is a wonderful community. You're really going to enjoy this, and I'm proud of you for taking the steps to get in here and try this new vehicle for a new mechanism and marketplace for art.